In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the trade setup that I'm watching for the coming week. And we're going to be talking about the SPY, Boeing, Caribbean Cruise Line, Delta Airline, ROKU, NVDA, and Tesla. So I'm going to give you some of the setup and what I'm looking at. Don't know if we're going to pan out or not, but those are the stuff that I'm monitoring. So I just thought I share with you. And the first one here is the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. And essentially, a lot of these zones that I have is based off of the volume profile. So let's go and take a look at some of the note that I have jotted down and some of the zone that I'm watching. So for the SPY, I'm basically looking forward to stay above the 285. Stay above this 285.68. If we could do that, then I'm looking for a move up to the 296.16. And if we could stay above that, then possibly move up to the 309.65 near the 310 area. But if it could not stay above this this area here, 285.68, then I'm looking forward to retrace back down to the 272.10 and possibly get down to test the 264.89 for potential support. And for Boeing, I'm looking at Boeing here, basically looking for this thing to move back up. So essentially looking to see would it be able to get above this 158 and come up to this 169.50 and possibly get up to 186.48. But if it come up and get rejected, then essentially I'm looking for a retracement back to the 132.90, essentially retest this balance zone going from one end to the other. Here looking at Caribbean Cruise Line, CCL. Let's say CCL, basically I'm looking for the 1295. If it could get back above the 1295, I'm looking for it to work itself up to this 1497 versus the 1406. That's one potential resistance there. But if we could get through there, then basically I'm looking at the 1497. But if it could not get above that 1295, I'm looking for this thing to come back down to this 1115 once again, essentially this balance area. And if it could not hold this balance area, then I'm looking for it to possibly come back to retest this level near the 914. And here looking at Delta Airline, we're basically looking for this thing to move back above the 2550. So see, would it get back up here to get above the 2550? Then I'm looking for a move up to the 2849 or 2961. But if it could not get above the 2550, then I'm looking for this thing to come back down and possibly retest the 2076. And here looking at ROKU, I'm looking for a trigger when it go above the 124.90. Right now it's sitting above the 124.90. If it come to and break below this 124.90, then I'm looking for a retracement back to 120.70 and possibly 115.10. But if it could stay above the 124.90, I'm looking for a possible move up to this 132.40. And then if it could get to this resistance zone, then it possibly could move up to the 144.72. Looking at NVDA here, we're basically looking for this thing to see could it stay above the 286.55. I'm looking for a move up to the possibility of 299, and if we could break that, then basically looking at 305.20. But if it dipped back below the 286.55, I'm looking for a possible move back down to the 275.38. Finally, looking at Tesla, basically on Tesla, we're looking to see would it be able to move back up above the 772.70. If it could go above that, then I'm basically looking for a move to get back up above the 822.20 and even possibly get up to the 862.65. But if it could not get above this 772.70 and it come down, then I'd be looking at this 706.71 and possibly get into this low volume zone, this basically this gap here below 692.43. So those are some of the trade ideas that I'll be watching for the coming week. And if you like the content in this video, give it a thumbs up. It will help me a lot. And also, if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe to subscribe. And also click on the bell notification icon. That way you won't miss any future video from me. Thank you very much. Stay safe and good luck.